Me, okay, Jason.
Happy birthday, Zachary.
Thank you.
This is your 6th birthday. And it's like a little SpongeBob kind of day, huh? Who do you have there?
The Patrick Star.
Okay,
Patrick
nice. I like Patrick.
All right, so you want to
All
open
right.
up your
Don't
card?
forget Wormy.
For me. That's funny. Can you open it?
Do you need an envelope?
Oh, an envelope opener?
Here, use.
There you go.
There
Good
you go. Just
job.
rip it open.
Well, you get it out somehow. Oh yeah, I know this one.
You do?
Yeah, the SpongeBob.
What does it say? Yay! Alex, do you want to go get
That's
the
awesome.
balloons for behind it?
Okay, you ready?
That good.
Well, this will take him a
Can you
while.
get this?
I'll go grab some scissors too, okay, please? Okay. Oh, happy birthday to you.
Oh, look at those balloons.
Wow. Can you go, Alice, go grab some scissors. Al. Birthday to you. It's a very SpongeBob birthday. Alex, hurry, honey.
Wait, what's he doing?
I don't know. Alice, you can be in the picture. Alright, here he comes. Without stabbing anybody. Alright. Okay, ready? Zachary, get ready to open your present.
Let's cut the ribbons for him.
Yeah.
Save that bow.
Can you cut one more? Oh, it's right on that side. Thanks, honey. Alrighty, let's do it.
This side.
Save the bow. Don't break the bow.
Just rip the paper. Rip the paper off. That's it. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Wow.
Can you move it?
Wow, it's a big present. I wonder what it is. I think you're going to flip out, Zachary, when you see what's in there.
It feels so high.
Wait, you might need to go. Oh.
Oh my God, it's a huge present.
Oh, here's a here, Mom. Wait. Ready, Dad? No, not yet.
That's the hugest present I've ever seen.
No.
Ready?
He was bigger.
Yeah.
Here, Zachary, go on the other side. Zach, go on the other side. Zach, go on the other side.
Hold on.
Oh, good. Yeah. And what's funny is I was going to laugh at where you're doing things. Okay, you can use the scissors. You can open them and cut that. There you go. Zachary, turn towards Daddy, honey.
Move the balloons.
Any day now, any day now. You're going to be 7 by the time you open the present.
Okay, let him get it.
I'll let him get it.
You missed some. Wait, let me open this thing.
Yeah, just get off all the tape, honey. And then.
Open it.
Other side off.
Oh.
Okay.
Good job,
Go for
Alan.
it. Dun-na.
Why is it so small?
What is it?
Open it. Awesome.
Oh, it's a present in a present. What?
Awesome.
Is that a badge?
Yeah.
A SpongeBob badge? That's super cute.
Let me open it.
Alice, be careful not to cut him.
Open it.
This is so confusing.
I know. What could it be?
I don't know. It was so big before. Is it a book?
I'm gonna flip over.
What?
I'm gonna flip over.
What do you mean?
And we said he was going to flip out.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Alex. Alex.
Oh, one more.
Alex, you have a present to give him. This is from Alex. This is Alex's idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Isn't he a miss?
No. I need a miss.
Alex, you should open up his GS box.
I'll do it.
Cool.
Happy birthday. Oh, so you'll be on a team too. Oh, what's this?
Oh,
Nothing.
that's nothing.
just a weight.
Leave
There's
it, leave
nothing
it.
in there.
All right, well, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Zach. Are you excited?
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Alex, move the balloon,
Happy
please.
birthday.
Alex, move the balloons, dude.
Happy birthday!